guys, my name is Cindy Karina, and this video is all about the birthday greetings for the most wonderful woman that I know, which is my mom, Chris Vlog. So I have taken notes, my message for my mom, so I'm just gonna read it for you guys, okay? Okay, here it is. Dear Mom, happy birthday to the most incredible woman that I know. On this special day, I want to take a moment to express just how much you mean to me and how deeply I appreciate everything you have done for me over the years. From my earliest memories, you have been my guide, my protector, and my greatest cheerleader. Your love has been a constant, unwavering force in my life, providing me with the strength and confidence to face whatever challenges come to my way. You've taught me the value of kindness, patience, and resilience, and I am forever grateful for the wisdom you have shared. On this birthday, I wish you all the happiness in the world. I hope your day is filled with love, laughter, and all that brings you joy. You deserve to be celebrated not just today, but every day, for being the most incredible person you are. May this year bring you health, peace, and the fulfillment of all your dreams. Thank you, Mom, for being my rock, my confidence, and my best friend. Your love is the greatest gift I have ever received, and I cherish every moment we share. Here's to more years of making beautiful memories together. I just want to say, again, happy birthday, Mom. I love you more than words that can express. With all my love from Cindy. Bye-bye!
Hi Be, happy birthday to my youngest siblings. Here's to another year of being the person I always count on to embarrass me in public. You know how naughty are you. Anyway, I wish you all the best, especially in good health and praying for your success. And we love you always. Happy birthday, Bunso.
Hello sa lahat. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon sa lahat na nandito. Today, I just want to say, or I just want to greet someone who's special for me. She's our sister. She's my sister. She's the bunso in 6 siblings. But it seems she's like our ate. She's very maldita and very matapang, but in the right way. Bunso, peace. I just want to say a happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, and more blessings to come. And more success in your YouTube channel. Bunso, I just want to say thank you for your help or sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin, sa ating mga magkakapatid, at higit sa lahat sa ating mga magulang. Bunso, again, happy birthday to you. God bless, and I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday po, Chris. So 1 year older. Oh my goodness, Chris po, you're getting old. You're becoming Lola. Joke lang, huh? Many happy returns of the day po, Chris. Enjoy your day. It's your day, you know. Like, there's nothing to do much. Just go out with your sisters, your friends. Go out. No more YouTube today. Just go out. Enjoy the day. May the Almighty give you more and more and more. Whatever you desire should be come to you. Just enjoy the day, Chris. And yeah, don't forget to go to the moon, huh? And once you go to the moon, please take oxygen. And yeah, just enjoy in moon. What more? Just enjoy, just enjoy. See, don't take life so seriously. Don't take things so seriously. Just enjoy every moment of your life. You're doing great. Just carry on with this pace, and everything will fall in place, you know. Just enjoy, Chris. Just enjoy, and keep some cake for me, you know. If you don't keep the cake, your tummy will be aching. Okay. Take care, Chris. Enjoy.
So ayan. Happy birthday to you, Chris from Dubai. Maligayang bati sa iyo. I love you. I send you all my love and warm wishes on your special day. May this year bring you endless joy, success, and all the happiness you deserve. And sana makita and makilala mo na yung right guy for you. And I love you, Chris. Masaya ako na isa ka sa naging kaibigan ko dito sa YT World. And napaka-supportive mo kahit hindi ako nakakapag-watch ng mga premiere mo minsan dahil sa sobrang busy. Pero, andyan ka pa rin sumusuporta sa akin. Maraming salamat, my dear friend, my habibi, I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my habibi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. God bless. Love you. Mwah.
Hello, Ganda Chris. Happy birthday. Sis, masaya ako na isa ako sa naging isang kaibigan mo dito sa YT World. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Ang kaibigan ay madaling hanapin, pero ang totoong kaibigan ay mahirap hanapin. So, thank you so much, sis. At nakabilang ako sa isang mong kaibigan. So, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo ay good health at saka mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. Alam ko na napakahirap yung sitwasyon natin na malayo sa ating mga pamilya. So, mag-ingat lagi at enjoy lagi ang ating mundo dito sa YT World. Enjoy ang bawat episode ng ating buhay at huwag pa-apekto sa mga negative. Okay? So, always positive, sis. Kaya natin, kaya mo yan. Hindi ka tatagal, hindi ka hindi ka magsa-successful kung hindi ka matibay. Alam ko matibay ka, sis. Kaya go, fight. At happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sis Chris. Love ya.
Hello everyone! Good day, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all of you all over the world. Hello YT friends! It's me, Miss Jel Official, sa mga hindi pa po nakakilala. Yan. So for today's video, I just want to greet Sis Chris, a friend of mine here on YouTube, a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Sis Chris. Thank you so much for always supporting my humble channel, and to all our friends here in YouTube. Thank you so much for being so active and then so vibrant, so accommodating. Ayan, thank you so much. I am so happy that I've met you here in this platform. Ayan. Today is your birthday and I just want you to have some fun, enjoy life, and then choose happiness as always. Lalo na dahil malayo tayo sa pamilya natin. Always stay strong. Always lean to God. Ayan. Dahil walang ibang makakatulong sa atin dito sa ating mundo, kundi ang Panginoon lamang. Ayan. Happy birthday to you, Sis Chris. Thank you so much for all the efforts, the all-out support here sa YT. Ayan. Thank you so much for your all-out support. I wish you good health, peace in mind, and then stress-free life, enjoy life, ganun na. Choose happiness as always. Thank you so much. More revenues to come and earn, more friends to meet, more happiness to come to your daily life. Thank you so much, Sis Chris, and that's all.
Hello sis, gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Kung nasan ka man ngayon, palagi kang mag-iingat. At maraming salamat, isa ako sa napili mong mag-greet sa'yo. Happy birthday, enjoy your day. Enjoy lang natin ang YT World. At kung sana more supporters pa at more blessings to come. Sisi, Chris, palagi kang mag-iingat. Yan. Once again, happy birthday, sis Chris Vlog. Salamat.
Hi, bestie. I know that today is your natal day, so I would like to wish you a happy birthday, and I wish that you can have a blast today with your friends, hopefully, or maybe on the Oh, right. It's a weekend over there. But anyways, take care and good health for you since you are far away from your family. And I hope someday I'll be able to meet you. You are so sweet and so caring. Thank you for the friendship. And
hi, Day! Kumusta ka na? Excited na ako kasi magkikita na naman tayo ulit. Anyway, gusto ko lang i-greet kita ng happy birthday. Wish you more blessing, good health, happiness, and the best of everything. Okay? And thank you so much for the friendship. At salamat kahit minsan nag-aasaran tayo. Diba? Pero at least hindi tayo plastic kahit nagmumurahan na. Anyway, I wish you happy birthday. And see you soon.
Everyone, this is Chris Vlog Dubai, and today I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you to each and everyone, especially to our Almighty Father. Thank you, Lord, for another year of existence. Thank you, Lord, for always guiding and protecting us. To my family, especially to my daughter, I love you so much. To my friends here in YouTube, thank you guys for sparing your time making these lovely birthday wishes and greetings, and it means a lot to me. Guys, thank you for always supporting my channel, and I wish you guys nothing but the best, and I love you all. Bye everyone.